This one's already been opened. This is the one that have with no compression. The last time I got this, it's only it go like this side by side, and we check the camshaft, it's okay. Now we're gonna check this one. If only the lifter has been stuck. Cause see, it's sideways. Not too much play, but we will see upon taking the cylinder head. Yung flat, yan yung tinanggal ko na push rod. Ito yung sa isang makina. Tatarin na may kabit para mawala ang misfire. So, pinayin na. Ito new push rod. See, always intake, exhaust intake. Make sure it's in the hole. See, the short one is always at the top. That's the intake. The long one has intake, exhaust. First intake, exhaust, intake, exhaust, intake. So. Camshaft in, just the torque for 72 foot-pounds. Make sure all the push rod serial on the compiler.